Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to automate product research on Zazzle using the Zazzle scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Appify or in the link down in the description. Instead of manually browsing products one by one, this actor lets you extract titles, prices, images, descriptions, product options, and seller info in just a few clicks. This scraper is perfect if you're doing e-commerce research, competitive analysis, or product discovery. So, how does it work? There's two different ways to use this scraper. First, you can input a URL from the Zazzle website. For example, if you're searching for wedding invitations, you can add up to as many filters as you want. For example, design colors, or any other custom filters. And once you've input all filters you want, you simply copy the URL and you paste it in here. If you want a more broad search, you can use the search query and sort them by different ways. Just remember, you can use either one or the other. So in this case, we'll use the URL, we'll leave this one empty. You can also extract optional fields, which include additional information. It'll make the scraper a bit slower, but it's depending on your needs. So, once you're ready, you set the maximum number of items, for example 25, and then you can hit run, or you can schedule the actor according to any needs you may have. For this demo, we'll run it once. And now, we'll let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, you'll get your results in this dataset table in the Output tab. Here, you'll see clean structured data from each product, including the title, prices, images, descriptions, ratings, designer names, store names, product options, and specs. You can also download the data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file for any data analysis. This scraper is great for product research, price monitoring, competitive analysis, and design inspiration. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you enjoy this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.